Making an iced coffee frappe at home is a simple and enjoyable process that anyone can do with a few basic ingredients and tools. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, half a cup of milk, or a non-dairy alternative like almond or oat milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, or your preferred sweetener, a cup of ice, and a splash of vanilla extract if desired. Start by brewing the coffee. It's best if you use a strong coffee or espresso for a richer flavor. Once the coffee is brewed, let it cool to room temperature or place it in the fridge for a faster cooling process. Next, combine the cooled coffee, milk, sugar, and vanilla extract in a blender. Add the ice to the mixture and blend on high until smooth and frothy. If you like your frappe thicker, you can add more ice or even a scoop of ice cream for an indulgent touch. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your preference. Pour the frappe into a tall glass. For an extra treat, top it off with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon. Enjoy your homemade iced coffee frappe as a refreshing and delicious pick-me-up at any time of the day.